Number 103 is Senior Tap. This is Shane Townsend. What's love got to do with it?
You must understand that the touch of your hand makes my pulse react. That it's only the thrill of boy meeting girl, opposites attract. It's physical, only logical. You must try to ignore if it means more than that. What's love got to do? Got to do with it? What's love but a second-hand emotion? What's love got to do? Got to do with it? Who needs a heart when a heart can be broken? Oh, got to do with it. I've been taking on a new direction, but I have to say, I've been thinking about my own protection. It's